Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Today is day 2 of me getting a chance to work on my bikes, and we'll work both with the MB and the Ducati. And more parts actually came in, more carbon fiber parts. So let me switch this over. Here you can see, here's the MV, and here are the carbon fiber parts that came in for them. And what we have here are the left and right panels of the underbelly. You can see really good material, carbon fiber. And then we have this guy, which is on the bottom part of the tail section. And I'll show you what I mean for that. And then this guy here is the second piece of the front fender. And here's that rear hugger, rear fender that they have. What I did was there are 3 bolts that hold down the second piece, the top piece. 1, 2, 3, 1 in the back and 2 on the side. And there's clips on the bottom of them to retain them, to lock them in. So just be careful when you guys are removing them and they line up. And then putting it back, I started with the back bolt first so I could see the hole going through the bolt going down the hole. Started with the 2 sides, and I just set it in very lightly. That way I could still manipulate it and see the actual bolt going through the hole. So I guess now we'll work on the bottom part of the tail. And there's 7 bolts there. Let me figure out what they are. Whoa, look, my registration's in there. And I was able to manage so, and now everything's in there. Let me just show you guys. And like I said, I'll bring this out in the sun so you can see what I put on there. Next, I'm gonna do this rear fender. Alright everyone, so here's what we got on the MV Agusta. So we did the back side, underside of the tail in carbon fiber. We got the rear hugger also in carbon fiber. And then the lower fairing and the inlays inside. And both front fender, top and bottom. I know it's kind of hard to see top part. There's that carbon fiber lower fairing. Then our clear clutch cover. And then you can see the rear hugger here. And better look of this lower tail piece. Yeah, so that's about it. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you guys next time.